amazing viewers. In this video, we talk about converting between fractions and decimals. First, let's look at converting from decimal to fraction. It's simple. Put the decimal over 1, then multiply both the top and the bottom by 10 until there is no decimal point. After that, simplify if you can. Now let's look at an example. Convert 0.25 to fraction. Solution. Now 0.25 is the same thing as 0.25 over 1. Next, we'll multiply the top and the bottom by 10 times 10. So this will give us 2.5 over 10. We are having 2.5, so we'll still multiply again by 10. The purpose of multiplying is so that we will no longer have a decimal point again. So 2.5 times 10, 10 times 10. So this will give us 25 over 100. Now, we will not go further multiplying by 10 because we have successfully removed the decimal point. So now, what we have to do is to simplify. Now, 25 can go in itself and give us 1. It can go in 100. It will give us 4. Therefore, 0.25 is equal to 1 over 4. Now, let's move on to converting fractions to decimals. Converting fractions to decimals. There are two methods. First, we have the long division method. In this case, you divide the numerator by the denominator. Second, we have the denominator adjustment method. If the denominator is a 10, 100, or 1000, simply convert it directly by moving the decimal. Now, let's look at an example. So let's say we want to convert 3 over 8 to decimal using the long division method. So our denominator will be outside, the numerator will be inside. Now 8 into 3, it cannot. So do what? Add a 0, a dot. Now 8 into 30 will give you what? 3. 3 times 8 will give you 24. Next, to subtract. Now this is 0. 0 minus 4. It cannot. You borrow 1 from here, put it here, it's now 10. 10 minus 4 will give you 6. Now 8, what is left here is 2. 2 minus 2 is nothing. Now 8 into 6, it cannot. So you do what? Add 0. 8 into 60 will give you 7. 7 times 8 will give you 56. What do you do next? You subtract. Now 0 minus 6, it cannot. You borrow 1, put it here, is now 10. 10 minus 6, 4. What is left here? It's 5. 5 minus 5, nothing. So now 8 into 4, it cannot. So what do? We add 0. 8 into 40 is what? 5. 5 times 8 will give you 40. Now subtract them, you're having 0. So, therefore, 3 over 8 is equal to 0.375. Now, let's look at another example. This time around with the denominator adjustment method. So let's say we are having 3 over 25. We want to convert 3 over 25 to decimal. Solution. So in this case, what do? We look for something that we can multiply with our denominator to arrive at what? 100. So Looking at the both of them, what can we use? We can use 4. If we multiply 25 by 4, we have 100. So fine, we use 4 to multiply both the top and the bottom because we cannot just multiply only the denominator. So this will be equal to 3 times 4 will give you 12. 25 times 4 will give you 100. The next thing, since we are having 100 here, we can move our decimal place. We are having how many zeros? 100 has 2 zeros. So we'll move our decimal place twice to the left. So it will be 1, 2. You put your dot and a 0. So we are having 0.12. That is 3 over 25 is equals to 0.12. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Bye.